Verso can be accessed on any online device. Use an iPad, desktop, or a laptop. Once logged in and you've created your account, you will be sent to your dashboard. This is where any activities that you have made will be. On the left-hand side, you will see spaces for you to click your dashboard, your classes, library, where your assignments, other teachers in your building, across the district and the world have updated assignments, statistics on how you are using your Verso, and what's going on your campus. To start, let's go back and look at the library. Here you can see everything I have already created, but let's start with something that's already in your school. Access this by going to your library, show activities shared in my school. While it loads, look at all the different activities that have already been created in my school and shared. I will choose this, My Shadow Throughout Mrs. Davis's Class. I can see everything she has already created, look through her directions, and clone. By cloning, that's kind of like making your copy in the copy room. I can make as many clones and copies as I need. Again, I can see her title, look through her directions and make any corrections that I would need to do, add additional instructions that my students may need, and make sure that all of my responses at the bottom are where they need to be. Number of responses, extended responses if I'd like them to be able to write more than 150 characters, and make sure that my activity is on. Once I'm ready, create that activity. But where did it go? It will now be in my library. Now that I have something to assign, let's create a class. First-time users will have to be prompted to make their first class. Choose your class name, the subject that you teach, and the year or age that you teach. You do not have to say how many students you have, but make sure your class is open. Create your class. Now you can see that I have a class with a code. If you have used Google Classroom, then it's very similar to that. If you give your students this code, they can log in and join your class right away. To add your first activity, click Add and create your own. Otherwise, you can go back to your library, click on the activity that you would like to choose, scroll to the middle, and hit Assign to Class. Again, choose which class you would like to assign to. I'll assign it to my class. Save your activity, and you are ready for Verso. Remember, you can do whatever you imagine on Verso. Make those assignments go outside your four walls and outside pen and paper. Use the library for examples and inspiration. Good luck.